Hi everyone, thank you for joining me in my garden today. So today I'm planting 4 Japanese maples, and one is really tall and beautiful, and I'll show you, all the other 3. But I wanted to say garden looks just so beautiful today. George got out and he cut the grass this morning for me, and everything it just comes together the minute the grass is cut. But everything is just coming together so well this spring. I mean, the boxwood is looking good. I just purchased a few more boxwoods to replace just here. Looks like I lost a couple of them and then a couple of up there. But for most part, look at this boxwood. It's doing really, really well. I'm really excited for them to just get very full and beautiful. I don't think I'm going to trim them too much this year. I think I might just let them do their thing, kind of come alive a lot more before I start trimming. But I also wanted to bring to your attention to this beautiful whipping ornamental cherry tree. It's looking really, really beautiful. It's in full bloom, starting to do really good. I think this is the fullest I've had. This is about what, 3rd year maybe, or 4th year it's been planted, maybe 3rd year it's been planted, and it's already looking really good. I might let it, whip a little more. I've been cutting it because I didn't really want it to go over the bench. I'm still hoping to get a lot taller, but we'll see how it goes. But it's so pretty with all these beautiful pink double flowers. Look at that. Just love this tree. So, and I wanted also to show you the rhododendron that we planted, wine and roses. It's blooming right now. It's been so windy. I'm sorry for all these sticks because I still have to come and clean everything. The month of March was incredibly windy for us every single day. We had no break. So finally today, it's actually a nice day. This weekend we actually had snow. Anyway, look at this beautiful rhododendron. It's blooming, looking really, really pretty. So everything is just looking good. I have some tulips coming out here there from the past plantings. I haven't planted anything last fall, but years before I've been planting them. I just removed the peony from here to another spot, so I have a hole which I have to fill. But anyway, look at these peonies I planted this year. They're just getting more mature, so as soon as they start blooming, this entire area will just be gorgeous. I have early blooming irises that are budding right here. They will start opening soon. And also I wanted to tell you a couple of new things that I've planted in the garden, which I'm really excited about. So I planted white ruffle poppy, which is really, really beautiful. So I'll show you here. And I'll pop the picture on the screen. George will put that together for you so you can see. It's really pretty. In previous times we've planted them, we didn't have any success with them, but so far they're looking good. I actually planted few in this formal rose garden. I thought it would bring really nice touch when they start blooming in the clusters. So they're doing really good. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 or 7 of them in this area. I think they're going to look really great. My other new thing that I planted, it's Peony Magical Mystery Tour, which you will see the picture also. And I've been searching for this Peony for a long time. Eventually I found it. I've had them. I found them at a good price. So it was really, I was very excited. And I planted the peony right here. There's in this spot, and peonies do really good in the sun, but they do good in the part shade. I'm hoping that I can open up here a little bit and let some sun in, so it will be right here. It's looking really good. Look at the size. I got this from Farmer Gracie in Europe, and they sent amazing, beautiful, very healthy, well-packaged plants. I've been so happy with them, so I've been ordering several things from them. But I think if I open some things here, like maybe cut some things out, and I haven't done any trimming here, I think I'll let the sun in a little bit for this area to kind of get a little more sun. Anyway, I can do that later. But today, oh, let me put this here. So for today, we are planting Japanese maples. So this one we just bought Saturday, and this is a lace leaf Japanese maple. So it looks like it's going to change colors in 3 different colors. So it looks like it's kind of a looks like it's red. It's going to turn red, or maybe chartreuse or yellow, and then green. But I'm really excited because I haven't had any green lace Japanese maple, so I'm very excited. And this is actually quite tall. It's supposed to go up to 2 to 3 meters tall, and so I'm really excited to go a little more, to get a little taller, so it can whip and it would look amazing. And this spot is perfect for Japanese maple to me, is because it's filtered, it gets filtered sun. It will be really happy. Japanese maples don't really like a lot of hot sun, so they just don't do well. They like to stay moist, and also you know, they can get probably like the morning sun is good, but not afternoon hot sun at all, so they don't like it. I think this is going to be a beautiful place for it. It will be really healthy. And the name, I don't even know, I think it says Érable du Japon, arbre feuillage décoratif. I think it's, this is the name. It says Érable du Japon. Maybe this is it, unless that's not it. I'm sorry, it's an Acer, but maybe it's this one right here, because it is obviously Acer palmentum, which is, you know, they all call that Acer, but that's probably the name, not sure. But anyway, I don't see anything else. Anyway, it's gorgeous. I'm really excited to have it here. I have 3 others. One is already up there. These 2 are going to go into our new garden, and I can show you. I'm really excited. These ones are smaller Japanese maples. This one called Orange Dream, again Acer palmentum, but it's Orange Dream, has beautiful yellowish, I don't know, like a pink to orange colors on the edges. And I got those very early in the season. They've been kind of sitting in a cold weather and wind, so they will look much better as soon as I plant them into the ground and let them, you know, come back around. They will do really well. And then there is this one, again, it's Acer. It's called Japanese Jewels. It has a beautiful red color. You know, I'm hoping in the fall it will start changing and get, you know, to get even more red. So this one has a bit more, kind of a larger leaves, but they're so beautiful. You can see, I think this one is supposed to go up to 1.5 meters tall, and it says part sun. So most of them love just part sun. They don't like hot afternoon sun at all. Anyway, let's go up there and I'll show you. Honestly, I haven't even decided where I'm going to plant them. I know kind of where they are going to, but I haven't really decided the exact spot. So we'll just go up there and figure it out where they need to go, and I'll show you the 3rd one or the 4th one. So you guys all know this is my new working section. I haven't even put the hose up because I've been watering every 30 minutes or so. It's been so windy. You can see it's really dry, which I have to water right after this video. But here, so what I'd like to do is, I think, plant this one. I'd love to go to plant him maybe like right here. Will look really pretty, I think. So I know for sure this one here, I want to plant in this corner. And this is a really interesting one. As you can see, it has a wind damage on it, but it's okay. You can, the ones that are, all the leaves that are just coming out, they're doing much better. And I think as soon as I plant them, the wind, they will be protected, and they will just bounce right back. But this one is a very interesting one. It has a nice yellow bark, and this corner is kind of a little darker shade kind of corner. It's kind of dark. And so what I wanted to do, the reason why I purchased this Japanese maple with this beautiful yellow bark, just so it will lighten this area, so it will pop even from the far. It will pop, and this one's supposed to go up to, let's see, 2.5 meters, which will fill this area, which is going to be absolutely perfect. And so the name of this one is Japanese Jewel by who? I want to say either Bihu. So this one has a beautiful light color, but I think it's well known, looks like, for its bark, which is really, really beautiful. And also it's great for the winter interest. So when all the leaves are, leaves fall off in the fall, in the winter time it will have this gorgeous yellow architecture-esque kind of structure here, which will be really great. So anyway, this one has to go here in this corner. And I have another maple. You can see this one's called red wine. This is a red wine, and look at the leaves are coming on this guy, super red in the early spring season. It's so beautiful. I love, and I think that's my cat in the neighbor's yard. So so this one is also very beautiful here. I think this whole combination will look really great and give a nice tall nice height. It will bring nice height to this area. So now I need to figure out where I'm going to plant. This one is the orange dream. So the orange dream I might plant somewhere right here, because this is a nice spot for it. I'll just plant right here somewhere. So this one not supposed to go up very tall. This one is only a meter and 25. So I think this will be really pretty to be planted somewhere right here. All right, we'll get started to plant these beautiful trees. I think this is a good spot. Maybe a little bit this way. As soon as this garden is filled, I think I will probably open this area more, because I'll have lots of things here to bring us privacy, like Japanese maples and some other evergreens. But for most part, I think I will try to open it to bring some more light into this garden. Anyway, let's go start planting. Oh, I don't need this one for down. We'll go plant the other one first, and then we'll come back and might need to go get bamboo shoots for this to keep it straight, and I need to put them in a hole. Hang on. Okay guys, so we'll go ahead and plant this beautiful Acer palmatum. So excited. And in fact, this is going to be so gorgeous, and the reason why I'm planting here, first of all, it's incredible spot for me. First of all, how sheltered it is. Second, I can see from everywhere. through the front door, through the garden, from anywhere. And this area right here where I curved the boxwoods, I was mindful of when I did that, when I designed it this way, I was mindful of to have some kind of maybe bench here where we can sit and see the garden from a different angle, and having this weeping beautiful Japanese maple in the background of that bench, it would just bring this very magical scene, which I'm really excited about. So that's kind of what I've been imagining and thinking to when I decided to plant this Japanese maple here. Anyway, we'll go ahead and get this. Okay guys, so I'm finished with planting. I think I need to give a little more water to each one of them. They will look absolutely amazing in this filtered sun, and I think they will be really happy in this spot for sure. And so this part here, you know, clearly has we still have lots of work to do, but it's coming together, and it's, you know, it's very rewarding. It feels so good to, you know, little by little to bring this part of the garden alive. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a absolutely wonderful week, and please don't forget to subscribe to my videos if you like them, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.